Trails Stewardship Team of Jeffco Open Space is a great program that employs youth for trail maintenance and natural resource restoration of parks. TST promotes a positive work and stewardship ethic among team members while helping to maintain and improve natural surface trails, mitigate noxious weeds, and restore natural areas. The crew works for 3 days a week for 7 weeks over the summer. Throughout the season, crew members attend weekly education sessions to learn about the flora, fauna, history, and importance of the parks they maintain.
This job is super important because it takes care of our parks and it makes it so the public can enjoy them.
Mostly it teaches you how to be a good worker and how to work well with others.
It's good for the environment and it prevents erosion and it helps preserve the trails.
It also brings other people from the community and from the county together.
I think I describe it as demanding but incredibly rewarding.
Even though we have professionals that can come and work on these trails, there's only so many of them out there, and so through this job we can get a lot done.
It helps to preserve public lands for everyone to enjoy.
You need to keep things maintained. Like if you just left it here for years, untouched, rocks are gonna fall, the whole trail's gonna cover back up, and then people can't enjoy it, and I feel like people need to enjoy it.
It teaches kids the importance of this kind of work and how much work actually goes into all this sort of stuff.
It's actually important because, the trails aren't going to stay perfect forever.
Without it, the trails would just erode and water wouldn't flow correctly off the trails, and so they're just going to get ruined.
It's the best job I've had yet and just really love coming back.
We're actually giving back to the community. As I'm working, I'm seeing people pass by and people thank me as I'm doing my work.
So if you love nature, this is a job for you.
These kids are learning skills that are going to impact them forever.
The Trails Stewardship Team is definitely very demanding, but I feel like it really shapes the teenagers that come to this program and really helps give them a good understanding of what the working world is like. It just really builds their character, and I just love assisting these kids to further their future.
It's been really easy to make friends here. Everyone works together, and ever since the first day, I just felt like I belonged.